Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be working on some thank you cards using the Globleland thank you die. I'll leave the link down to their website and to the item that I'm using here. And it's pretty decent size die. It's if I'm not mistaken, it's about 3 inches wide. Yep, 3 inches wide. So I'm using my Sizzix Big Shot, and I'm using some a card base on this one, and we're gonna just add the die to it and run it through the machine. This was my first time using this die, and I thought that the whole die was gonna stay onto the cardstock, and you know, like a, I don't know how you call it, like a window sort of thing, but it comes out in pieces. So we're going to work with that. It cuts pretty good. The pieces just pop right off. You don't have to wiggle it, or nothing really stays onto the die itself. Since the card base I was using was white, I decided to run some colored paper through it so I can use the thank you for the card base that I have. So let's start assembling this card. Since I have that window with the white card base, I'm gonna take the thank you from the colored cardstock that I cut, just popping it off right here, and then I'm going to glue that into the center of that opening. And you have extra pieces from the cardstock that you cut, so you have the frame, the thank you, the opening, so a lot of possibilities here. I was dreading having to put glue on all these little tiny lines, but I saw on another crafter's page, Mimi Made It Crafts, and she put some glue onto her mat. She used a glass mat. I'm using a acrylic block here, and using a dauber, we just daubed the glue to the back of all those little lines, so you don't have to painstakingly add glue to every single line there to keep it all down. Even though you have that pretty frame around the thank you, I think it's still blend too much, so I got my Memento ink. I can't remember which color I use, but it's a similar color to the pink that I use on the inside, and just use my dauber and added some color to the edge of the frame. And also I added the color to the edge of the card to make it cohesive. You could also add more color to the actual card outside, card base on the outside, and give it a whole new look as well. I'll probably do that in some future cards, just add more color to it. Now I'm going to make a second card using the leftover pieces that I didn't use on the first card. I'm trying to see if I wanted to do it to the side or center. I ended up doing the center, and again we're going to use that glue dauber and add glue to the back of this. I didn't want to waste this thank you that I cut out of the white card base, so I'm using again my Memento ink, and I'm just gonna give it some color. You can cut this out of any cardstock to give it the color, or you can do what I did, add some color. You could probably do several colors on it and give it a more like a tie-dye effect. So it's a lot of possibilities here. If you're liking this content, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Comment below what color combo would you use for your thank you cards. And I'm still trying to get to my 5,000 by my second anniversary in October. I'm very close, only about a little bit over 1,000 left. So your help will mean a lot to me. Thank you. So these are how these two little cards came out. You can use them, you know, like any which way you want, different card bases and stuff. But then I look to the side and there's one little frame left. I don't want to waste it, so I keep on looking around and pull out my junk journal. And then we're gonna go through it and see where I can add this little frame. So I'm going through the pages and I come across this page that has the lace on the edge, and I thought it matches really good with the lace. So I again used my little acrylic block there to add some more glue to the back of this frame. And this came out pretty easy to add the glue instead of having to do it with little by little. And then just add it to the side, to the center, you know, looking around. And this is a great place to add a photo. Or you can also use a die cut to make a hole and make it into a window there. So, like I said, possibilities are endless. Until next time, be brave, be strong, and create some thank you cards.